So the liner's back in. It is tricky to get in and out. We ended up, Lucas held a 1x6 in the center to hold the center up. And then he pressed down here to get that corner in. Because you put one side in, then you have to get the front corner. Then you can get these in before you take the board out. So the only thing, and I was a little concerned with this, is this piece is held up a little bit. I raised the bar going across here slightly, plus you got more metal in there. So I'm up, on this side, gosh, about 3/8 of an inch. I don't know if that's going to affect the tonneau cover. We're going to try it. If it does, then I may need to slice this off, put that in, put this down over top of it, which would work because there's just barely enough there. I'm pretty sure that would work. But let's try the tonneau cover without doing that. Because this itself, well, a little bit of vibration there. But we'll try the cover and see if we have to do that.